Hello everyone, if you're trying to pick a name for your Hytale account and you keep getting this problem, this is the big error code that you keep getting. So the way you can get through this error is by just putting your username quickly and then pressing enter before this error even shows up. So what I'll recommend you to do is you can open up a notepad file and then write your name on here, like TechVersity for me, and then just copy this name. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into this Hytale window. You're going to remove every text from here and just quickly paste your text and then press enter. Try to do it in a split second so that this error does not occur. It may take you a couple of tries, and once you do it correctly, your name will be changed and you will not get a problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix this annoying problem on Hytale. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.